Some of the students ask me that what is grammar? To let you understand that the grammar is basically the rule and regulation for what the language is made. The students are asking that why these rules are implemented in English language. Why there is part of speech, why they are active, why they are passive, why there is direct and indirect. Let's make it easy for you. The first question I will clear for you, that about the grammar and about parts of speech. What is noun? Okay, let me think about it. Noun, 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 noun. It is a name? Yeah, it's a name of thing, person, place, and it may be an idea. The people, okay, they make ratta, mugging. On what? Name is, what is noun? It is the name of thing, place, person, blah blah blah. And they are writing this thing from their low level, from one class to up to their BS level. Let's make it simple. I want to ask you something. Is the word angel a noun? If it is a noun, so it is not a person because they not exist. So it is not a name of place. It is not a thing because it doesn't have any physical existence. So let's make an easy definition for noun. So let me tell you, noun is name of everything that we have seen, that we have touched and untouched, because there are some nouns that feeling, love as an abstract noun, there is a compound noun, there is an material noun, there is a concrete noun, there is common noun, proper noun, all the nouns, everything that have a name, it is noun. What is this? This is a tree of persimmon. And look into this tree. It is a tree of fig. Let me tell you that everything in this universe has a specific name. It is the denotative name of this person, and this is called noun. Okay guys, this was our lecture about noun, but it was too short. I will make videos all about grammar, essay writing, parts of speech, active, passive, direct, comprehensive, conditional sentence, and all about grammar and what is the use of grammar. At the end of this, please subscribe our YouTube channel and do visit our Facebook, TikTok, Likey and Bigo account. For your information, we are making such like videos for you. Thank you so much.